Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, before we getting into actual video, I want to thank each and every one of you who subscribed my channel. Guess what? We have officially crossed 600 subscribers. That is very big achievement for me. I don't want to take it for granted. Thank you so much, each and every one of you, for subscribing my channel. So, and guess what is the today video topic is? Today I'm going to discuss on the art of letting go. Yes, guys. So without making it late, let's get into the topic. Why do you think it is so damn hard to let go? What is the fear that is holding you back from letting go? Why are you choosing to stay stuck? These are the three questions I want to ask yourself. Honey, you're completely being okay, but like treated like an option and making you feel you're worth less than you are and being disrespected. I don't know why you are fine with that feeling. Honey, please learn to let go of the trash, learn to let go of the bullshit. You don't deserve that. Once you start letting go of things, you are creating space in your life, you are making room for better things. Imagine you stay stuck in these trash things. How can you expect to universe to bless you with good and beautiful things? When you are already full of these things, universe thinks you are fine with these things. Once you start letting go of this, you are stating to universe, yes, I deserve to treat it right. What actually happen is, when you start letting, don't be with fear. Oh god, what if I let go and what's gonna happen now in my life? Don't think all that. You start letting go of trash, you see your life change. Because when you start letting go of bullshit and trash things, and when you start letting go of what you don't deserve, you are creating space, you are creating room in your life to receive the good things. And when you let go of these bullshit things, so that's when actually universe can bless you with more beautiful things which you deserve. Okay, so honey, start letting go of things. Don't stay stuck, don't hold back, don't think anything, just let go of the bullshit you don't deserve. Once you feel disrespected, once you feel less worth than you are, that is dangerous place for you to stay in that. Number 2, stop glorifying the suffering. Why are you choosing to stay in the places that you have already outgrown? Do you really think holding on to what hurts you makes you strong, or enduring a pathetic situation makes you better? No, it won't save your life, it won't make you feel better, it won't take you to better place, but the only thing it does is it will only sink you deeper. It will only sink you deeper. Annie, I want to ask yourself one question. Why do you find letting go is very hard? Why are you so afraid to lose? Annie, you don't need to test a knife just to see how deep it can cut you. By the time you realize, you have already got hurt. And one more thing, the highest form of the power that you can hold in this life is being unbothered, staying in your own lane, with or without anybody's need to fill you, to make you feel better and make you feel fulfilled. When you do things on your own, when you do that one day, that is when you should know that you reached this power. Start loving yourself, start enjoying your own company. Don't mix loneliness and being alone together. Don't mix those things. And you don't need to stay in places where you are feeling less worth than you are. That place is not for you. Start letting go. Don't you dare tell yourself letting go is very hard, and don't you dare downplay yourself just to make other people feel better. You don't deserve that, and you are not responsible for making people feel better, and you are not the one to justify their actions. Just start letting go of these bullshits. You will find yourself in much better place in life. That's when you stating to universe, I deserve to get treated well, I deserve to be in better place, and that's when universe starts giving you more beautiful things and start giving you more miracles. Number 3, reality check. Get yourself reality check, honey. Look at what place you are right now in your life and look at what you are tolerating. Is that friendship making you feel small and making you feel like you are an option while you're making them priority? Remove yourself from that circle. Remove that toxic friendship from your life. They don't deserve you. Who the hell do you think you are to let somebody treat you like trash? Remove the toxic friendship. And is that job making your soul feel drained every single morning? Why are you letting yourself stay in places like that where they treat your talent like inconvenience? Honey, you are worth more than paycheck. You are worth more than that. And if it costing you your peace, stop letting go. And is that relationship keeping you awake at midnights and making yourself feel like you are begging for absolute bare minimum? Honey, who do you think you are to be in the toxic relationship? Let go. You will deserve much better. When you start removing this trash, when you start letting go of this freaking bullshit, that's when universe actually blesses you. Remove this freaking trash from your life. Remove these things and see how fast universe blesses you with miracles and what you actually deserve. Coming to the 4th point, shift your faith, change your mindset. Why is it so easy for you to believe in the worst things while why it is so hard for you to believe in the good? Honey, I don't understand these things. You have no problem tolerating disrespect, but why are you so hesitate? Why are you so hesitate about good things can happen to you? Why it is so hard for you to believe that good things are going to happen to you? Why? Honey, there is something really wrong with your mindset. Check it out. If you don't believe that good things aren't going to happen to you, then it is very unhealthy mindset. Actually, you have to keep your mindset so positive, and whatever coming to you, you have to think good things are going to come to me. You shouldn't be thinking, oh, that thing gonna happen, this thing gonna happen. If you think like that, only that ill things going to happen always. If you think good things are going to come to you, of course the good things only going to happen to you. That is the power of mindset, honey. That is the power of mindset. Please believe in that. Why do you keep putting people on pedestal while they are treating you like you are an option? I don't understand this. How can you look at your own worth and let yourself settle for crumbs? What is this, honey? Why are you doing this to yourself? If you think universe isn't watching you, if you think good things aren't going to happen to you, then you are dead wrong, honey. You are dead wrong. You have to have unbreakable and unshakable faith in universe and in yourself. You should always believe that good things are going to happen to you. When you be in this kind of mindset, that is when you start thinking, okay, why am I being in this trash toxic circle while they are making me feel like an option? If your minds it is from scratch. If your mindset is built like, okay, you're okay with anything, if you're okay with being disrespected, if you're okay with being tolerating disrespected, if you're being okay with being feeling like less worth than you are, then there is no problem for you and you don't feel like letting go. It's like comfort zone for you. Don't do this to yourself, honey. Shift your mindset. Always think you deserve much more better. You don't need to tolerate this bullshit. Not at all. Start letting go of these bullshits. Have this audacity to let go of the things. When you start removing this trash from your life, and when you stop letting these shit things happen to yourself, when you let these things stop affecting you, that's when you actually step into who you meant to be. Like as for example, you are stepping into your higher version when you stop tolerating this disrespect, when you stop tolerating, being treated like an option, being feeling like less worth than you are. Let go of these things. Have the audacity to let go of this trash. That's when you actually step into who you meant to be. That's when you stating to universe who you are and what you receive, so the universe also can bless you with actually what you deserve. Universe works in your mindset, honey. How you think, like that only universe works. Coming to the fifth point, kill the victim mentality. Yes, kill the victim mentality before it ruins you. I'm going to challenge you right now. If you think letting go is impossible, there is something wrong with your mindset, something dangerously wrong with it. You have to check it out. And one more thing is that I want you to ask a question to yourself. Are you finding letting go is very hard because is it really hard for you to let go, or do you love playing victim? I want you to steady your inner self, dear. I'm not blaming you here and all, but I really want you to be honest with yourself. Steady your inner self. I know bad things will happen to good people and bad people, but how good people responds to them is what defines them and what's how they choose to be in their life. Being victim makes you feel safe. It gets you into comfort zone, and it will, being in victim mentality, it will stop letting you do work to move forward. It's like an excuse to stay stagnant, which is very dangerous and very unhealthy. I know i know you went through so many things, lot of bad things happened to you. I know. Climb them, own them, but don't you dare let yourself be stuck in this victim game. It lets you to stop work to move forward. Yes, it is very unhealthy and it is very dangerous to be in this loop. See, when you be in victim mentality, it makes you like, you will cry about it, you will feel sorry for yourself, and you will think, oh, others are going to be feel sorry for me. But that doesn't change anything. You already went through enough. Now you have to achieve bigger things. You have to be in better place. You don't deserve to be in this type of low place in your life, because you already went through enough. Now prove this all things wrong. Move yourself, work on yourself to move forward. Actually, you don't need to do any work. Once you let go of these trash things, you will already find yourself, automatically you will find yourself in much better place. That's true, honey. Being in victim mentality, it's like an excuse to stay safe. It's like safe game. Don't feel sorry for yourself. If you are really feeling sorry for yourself, work on yourself to find you in good place, in better place. You watching this video right now, this is your sign today that you should kill this mentality. It doesn't matter how hard you got hit, how badly you were betrayed before, how badly you got treated before. I know how deep the wound is, but none of these things gives you permission to shrink. Honey, don't let all these things affect you from doing the work to move forward. Now it's time for you to get your higher place. You belong to there. You go to that higher place. Don't let all these shit things affect you from going to higher place. Don't let this victim mentality make you stay in slow place in life. If you are choosing to stay safe, and if you are okay, these things happen to me, and if you are focusing on what happened to you, you are giving your power away. You are like, okay, those things happen to me and I will stop moving forward. Don't give these things power. If you give them power, it's like, yes, they happen to you and you are okay with that. Climb your power back and move forward, and work on yourself and move forward. Don't let these trash things affect you to stay in low place. You already went through this. You don't need to suffer more. It's okay. Go. Don't stay in victim mentality. All you have to do is on your part is to let go of this bullshit, and all you have to do is let go of the things that you don't deserve, and which makes you feel less worth than you are. These are the things that keeping you in low place in life. If you start letting go of these things, you will see how fast universe blesses you. You will look at them and you'll be like, really, these things are miracles that happen to me, and that miracles happen to me because you you removed those things from your life. You choose to not stay in these toxic trash things. You choose to let go. That's why you are in better place. Do this favor to yourself, honey. I hope you found something meaningful in my video. I really genuinely wanted to share all these things with you today. And thank you for being there and sharing this space with me. I hope you find this video helpful. And I'll be pretty back with new video. Until then, see you guys. Bye bye. I love you.